You're gonna be placed under arrest right now for
domestic
battery.
Domestic? I didn't. Dude,
Don't freak out.
Gemini, what the fuck? Dude, I did not hit anybody. Bro, Gemini, what the fuck? Gemini, what the hell?
Okay.
What the hell?
On April 14th, 2024, the police received a report of a family dispute. A man named Gemini alleged that Kendra, his ex-wife, had assaulted him.
Yeah, do you want him taking Samaya? Okay, can I speak with you about it? Because I would agree, he's trying to take her up to Chicago. You guys aren't married. I don't know if he's can do that.
I'm sorry, I was just in the bathroom, but you said, yeah, we've already met.
What the fuck's going on? Why?
He is being belligerent because I went to my boyfriend's house.
Okay, I get that. I talked to you about that before.
Right.
Why are you not opening the door for me so I can speak with you about the situation?
I'm sorry, I was literally just on the phone with my sister telling her about the situation.
I was pounding on the door.
I was in the It's all the way in the back of the house. I'm so serious.
I could hear my pound from like around the corner.
But
okay, I'm not gonna argue about Kendra. That was kind of stupid, and I know you heard me. So don't bullshit me, because I'm not a bullshitter. Okay?
Okay.
If you think I'm a fucking bullshitter, then I'll walk away right now. So listen, you I don't think you want him taking it.
I do not.
Okay. So when did he get in town?
He got in town to babysit her when I go to work.
Okay.
So now he's saying that he's going to take her because he keeps making up all of these false allegations.
So has he been staying here for like a couple days babysitting her while you're at work?
Basically, yeah.
Okay. So do you guys have any kind of parenting agreement?
No, we have no type of court anything. Right, we just had a child together, and basically I said, like, you can basically come here and babysit when you feel like. When I need to go to work, so when I need to pay my bills.
Okay.
So, yeah.
And when you guys got into it out here, I understand it was over the child.
It was over me getting my baby.
Exactly.
But we didn't really
I
get
100%
into it.
I 100% get that.
A conversation that he wanted to make heated, but I'm not the type of person to do
Okay.
that.
Well, like I said, I'm not a bullshitter. Okay. So he has video of his phone of you going at him and grabbing his hair and pulling him. I'm assuming
his hair and pulling him because I was trying to grab my child because he would not give me. I sat here for almost over 30 minutes. Not even 30 minutes, maybe 15.
I get it.
10 or 15. Asking him for my child. I was just at my boyfriend's house and came all the way back because he said that he's leaving with my child.
Okay. So I get that.
He said to quit playing with him because I'm going to my boyfriend's house. We are not together. I am a single woman paying my bills by myself.
You shouldn't be having him in town then living at your place.
And my thing
I'm not. You make your own decisions. I get it. But you're opening yourself up for a can of worms. I'm not a counselor.
Which is why I'm not doing this.
But that's not smart. Because then all of a sudden all of this happens.
Exactly.
And now he has the child in his arms.
Exactly.
And it gets complicated.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I understand the situation was, if I can recap earlier, right, when we were out here earlier, you were upset with, you came home from a barbecue. He was upset with you because you were like, I'm going to my boyfriend's house or whatever.
Exactly.
So he's upset at you.
Yeah.
How did the car seat get thrown?
He said that I threw a car seat. I threw no car seat.
Sounds good. Why'd you say I'm gonna kill you?
Why did I say that I'm gonna kill you?
Because you were upset with him about about the baby.
He was doing a lot, and as a matter of fact, when I just said that I was leaving because I changed my clothes, I said I'm leaving. He said, you know what, you're gonna go play me. I'm gonna kill you. I was like, for what? What are you? Because I'm going to over his house. Like, what is wrong with you?
Okay.
Something has really got to be wrong with you for you to really.
But you were also saying I'm gonna kill you if you don't give me my baby back or whatever, because you wanted your baby back.
That was just a hyperbole. I have no intention of killing anybody.
Okay. What exactly did you say though?
What exactly did I say?
Yes.
I told him to give me my child back. I told him, give me my child back. Give me my child back over the course of multiple times. Maybe a 10-minute
You're skipping over the killing part.
Okay. And I might have threatened that randomly out of anger, but that is about it.
Well, that's exactly what I'm getting at. What did you say when you threatened out of anger?
That is it. What you exactly just said is what I said. Okay, you know what? You're going to make me kill you. Like, give me my child back. But obviously, I would never do anything like that.
Okay.
I know the consequences of that.
Okay. And then you left. We arrived, right? Then you came back, and you guys got into an altercation.
He was sitting on my porch, and I told him, you can just hand me my child and you can go. And he said, no, I'm not going to do that. And he was like, I'm going to start recording you. So I was like, what are you doing all that for? Because I'm asking for my child.
Yes.
So, of course, he tried to provoke me again.
So you followed him out there, and you reached...
to try to get my child. And he said, So I'm like, dude, are you serious? So I did kind of grab his hair, but he over-exaggerated. He over-exaggerated. I didn't. You see the size. I did not pull that man to the ground and be like, ah.
Right,
I'm not gonna do all that.
But he fell to the ground, or he put
He
himself
fell
to the ground.
and he tried to say that I put his child in danger to obviously escalate to this point.
Okay.
So.
Okay. All right. Well, what I'm gonna try and do is speak with him and figure out the whole baby situation, because
And I just told him, like, you're gonna make it to the point where they're gonna take my child. And
it gets a little dicey because you guys aren't married. So technically, by Illinois state law, you have more rights than he does.
Right.
Okay, I'm just being frank with you. I'm telling you the facts. I'm not a bullshitter, so I'm not gonna lie to you.
I
right?
would rather him
Okay.
give me my child. He does.
That's what I would rather
He
too.
doesn't even have a
So
place to stay.
that's what I'm gonna try and facilitate.
He
okay?
has no car.
But
either.
I can't snatch the baby out of his hands.
That's
You know what I'm saying?
understandable. I wouldn't
So
want
I
you
will
to.
try to have a conversation with him about that, because I don't feel like it's right for him to be threatening to take her up to Chicago or just leave up to Chicago.
Especially at 12
So-
o'clock at night with a
Exactly.
1-year-old.
So I'm gonna go chat with him.
Right.
Okay. When I knock on the door again, can you please
I will.
not
That's no
ignore me? Okay. Because I'm trying to treat you decent.
Thank
Okay. But I'm trying to help you out. But I need your help too. Okay. Only thing is with the child, it's both of their children, and he has been staying here for several days watching the child. So then he has residency. He's allowed to stay if he wants to stay.
Right.
I can't necessarily stop him from taking the child and going up to Chicago. Although I don't really agree with that, because I feel like
And that's a custody issue, though.
it is.
I mean, they both
Exactly.
are mutual parents, so it's like if there's a custody issue, they got to do that in court.
Correct. The one thing I'm wanting to do is talk with her, see if there's a third party that like a mom or somebody that would take the child.
Yeah.
If she's gonna.
Because he said that he would give the child up and he'll leave.
Oh, he did say that.
Yeah.
Can I chat with him over?
Yeah.
Kendra was later charged with domestic assault and resisting
Give
arrest.
us 1 second. We're going to figure it out, okay?
All right. So you're gonna be placed under arrest right now for domestic battery.
Domestic?
freak out.
I didn't.
Don't.
Dude.
Don't
freak out.
Gemini, what
Don't
the
freak-
fuck? Dude, I did not hit anybody. Bro, Gemini, what the fuck? Gemini, bro.
Knock it off.
Bro,
Stop resisting.
bro, stop. What the fuck? Gemini, stop. Bro.
Stop
Dude,
it.
what the hell?
Stop it.
Bro. Ow.
Stop it.
Bro. Gemini, what the f? Dude.
Stop it.
What the hell? Why would you guys? Gemini, bro. Literally, Gemini, what the f?
What's that for?
Bro, oh my god. Gemini, what is wrong with you? Guys, I swear I did not. Dude, I did not. Gemini, what the hell?
Okay.
What the hell? I didn't do anything. What is wrong with you? Oh my god, dude. Can y'all just
One
please?
second. I gotta turn this up a little bit. Yes.
We will.
We will. We would rather have not done this.
Bro, please. Please let me go, guys. I have another child. Please. I have another child in the house.
Okay. We're gonna make sure everyone stays safe. Okay. I gotta make sure these aren't tight enough because
No, I'm
she's
fine.
screaming
I'm
over.
fine.
Stop
I'm fine.
scratching me.
I'm not scratching
Okay.
you.
Yes, you are.
Gemini, do you see what you just did?
No,
For no reason.
No, you did it.
No, I did not do this. I was in the house. They just fine. I went to my boyfriend's
Stand up.
house.
Stand
I
up.
went to a barbecue.
All right. We're
Can I
walking
get
this
my
way.
shoes, please?
I'll get them for you in a
Bro,
minute.
can I get my shoes and my watch?
No. All right.
Domestic battery for what?
We gotta make sure you don't got anything on you. I don't
Domestic
think
battery
you do.
for what?
Do you know what domestic battery is?
For what? What am I getting arrested for a domestic battery for?
Do you have any? Are you good?
I'm asking a question. I'm fine, guys. I have nothing on
Okay,
me. I
we
was
just
in my
gotta make
house.
sure.
Listen, we're gonna sit in my car and I'm gonna explain something to you, okay?
Sit down.
What was your first name?
Kendra.
Kendra, listen to me, okay? Domestic battery, unwanted physical contact, right? That's
I
definition
didn't
of it.
have unwanted physical contact with him.
Listen to me.
Guys, he doesn't. He's homeless. I'm the one that
listen?
rents the house out.
Hey, will you listen to me, Kendra?
He's
Okay, listen to me real quick. You admitted that you pulled his hair, right?
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
I said I touched his head. I did not pull his hair. I literally touched his head. He threw himself to the ground. He's lying to you guys.
Well, he's got-
This is why I'm so upset now. He's literally lying, guys, so he can have my child. And you guys
based
fell
off what
for it.
No, based off of what we have, that's what we have to do, man. So sit tight,
No,
we'll grab your
literally
stuff.
my
Sit tight and we'll grab your stuff. And get them handcuffs off you. I'm walking up here for me. When we get in here, just sit on the bench on the left.
I'll take you to the hospital.
For what? You need to talk to somebody?
I need a psych
Okay.
evaluation.
I'll let the jail staff know.
This is too much. This is too much.
Come on in here, sit on the bench. Have a seat and I'll try to get this done so they can get you in and out, okay? Hey.
But I don't want to be here. I do not. Send me to the hospital, bro. Send me to the hospital. Please send me to the hospital. I do not want to be here. Please send me to the hospital. I need a psych evaluation ASAP. Immediately. Please.
Domestic assault is considered a serious offense and can result in probation or 6 months to 1 year in jail. If the assault causes injury or involves a weapon, the sentence can increase to 5 to 10 years or even more in particularly severe cases.